If you want a tool that can generate hyper-realistic images, whether it's a logo, poster, or any other design you can post to grow your social media, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how you can create these kinds of stunning, realistic images. All right, let's start the video. First, open Google Chrome and search for Ideogram. Click on the very first website that appears. Now click on Continue with Google and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. Here, you'll need to create a username. The website will automatically suggest one, but you can change it if you want. For example, I'm setting my username as AIImage00, which means my name will appear as AI Image. Then just click on Continue. A pop-up will appear. Simply close it by clicking the cross. And now you're on the Ideogram homepage. Here, you'll find several sections like Explore, Top, Product, Logo, and many more. If you click on any of them, you'll see images created by other people using Ideogram. You can use these images for inspiration when creating your own. To create your own image, go to the Creation section. You'll find a tab where your generated images will appear. Since this is a new account, there's nothing showing yet. Now, to generate a new image, you'll see a text box. Here, simply describe the image you want. For example, I'll write, "A man running on the surface of the moon." It's that easy, no complex wording needed. Below that, you'll see model options like 3.0 latest, 3.0 March 26th, and if you click on View Older Models, you'll find 2.0 and 1.0 as well. The newer the model you select, the more credits it will use. Next, you'll see a render speed option. I usually keep it on default, but you can change it based on your needs. Then comes the aspect ratio section. There are many options here. Choose one based on your design requirements. I'll select 16:9 for now. Next, you'll see a style option. You can choose from general, realistic, design, 3D, or anime styles. I usually prefer realistic, so I'll keep it that way. Lastly, there's the character option. If you have a character image you want to include, you can upload it here. I don't have one right now, so I'll skip this step. Now click on the Generate button, and instantly your 4 images will start generating. And done! Just look at the results. The images are so high quality and realistic. The lighting, shadows, movement, and background, everything looks natural. On the right side, you'll see your prompt and also something called a magic prompt, which is basically an enhanced version of your original prompt. At the top, you'll find options like retry, remix, and a few others. If I don't want to make any changes, I'll simply click on the download button and my image gets downloaded instantly. Now, let's go back to the Home tab and try some more features. Let's say I find an image I really like. I can either download it directly, or if I want a new version of it, I can click the Remix button. After clicking Remix, you'll see new settings and prompt options. I'll open the settings, and here you'll see a strength option. The higher the strength, the closer your new image will look to the original one. I'll keep it on default and hit Generate. And boom, my new image is ready. Just look at how realistic it looks. Let's try one more example. This time, I'll go to the Logo section and select a logo design. I really like this one, so I'll click the Remix button again. Then I'll fill out the details and set the strength to 40% because I don't want it to look exactly the same. I want something more unique. You can increase the strength if you want to experiment more. Then just hit Generate, and look at that. It created a high-quality 3D logo design in just seconds. Now, let's talk about the pricing plans available on Ideogram. If you use the free version, you'll get limited slow credits and limited access to the Canvas feature. But still, you can create many amazing images completely free of cost. Then there's the basic plan, which costs around $7 a month. This plan gives you faster generation with priority credits, more daily slow credits, and the ability to edit your designs directly inside the canvas. You also get the option to export your work in high quality. The next one is the Plus plan, which costs $15 a month. With this plan, you can upload your own images to edit and remix them. It also includes private generations, character consistency, upload and remix, batch image generation, unlimited slow credits, and the best cost per credit. You can choose between monthly or yearly billing, whichever suits you. But here's the best part. Even if you don't want to buy any plan, you can still use the free version and generate tons of images just by using multiple email accounts. And honestly, the results look almost the same in both free and paid versions. The main difference is just speed and credits. And that's how you can use Ideogram to create stunning, hyper-realistic images, logos, and posters for your social media without spending a single dollar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, comment below what kind of AI tool you want me to cover next, and follow for more awesome AI tools and creative tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.